What's up, y'all? So I'm here looking absolutely crazy because along with my mom, we're going to start the prep for my sister's 21st birthday. That's tomorrow. Unfortunately, I couldn't take her out to celebrate and party like I wanted to, so we're just going to throw her a little something here at the house, and I just thought I would record the process and show you guys the setup from start to finish. So if you have a relative or somebody who's having the same situation where their birthday is happening during this time, do something special for them. I promise they're going to appreciate it. So anyways, I'm talking a lot as usual. Let me get into the things that I bought. I got the kit off of Amazon, and I'll link it below, but it comes with these streamers too, and we're going to cover the door with these, and a bunch of balloons that include confetti balloons with some different colors. We have the balloon ties, which we're not doing helium balloons, so I'll have to find a different purpose for these. It came with a crown, a cake topper, and this super cute 21 Today sash. I'm gonna have her wear that whenever we do eventually go out. Also we have here, it's a champagne balloon, the really, really large ones. And we also have the signs. Oh no, that's not a sign. This is balloons also that say happy birthday. Gotta get those blown up. And over here I have my own little special project happening. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the shadow clocks. If not, I'll just put a picture here. But pretty much I'll be turning these things into a clock, and every hour we'll have a little drink on it, a little drink. So super excited about that. I will let y'all know if this comes out as planned, but I have a vision. So what else do we have? Oh, I have these labels. They're wine labels. I got these off Amazon too. And pretty much just like big stickers that you can put on your wine bottles. Love that. But this is what I'm super excited about. So me and my sister used to play with this when I was young, and I found it in the storage. Like, it's an old MTV karaoke machine. Let me turn it on for y'all because I was excited when I found this bad boy. Like, how vintage, right? Hey. We also have a little strobe light situation going over here that I'm going to end up plugging up later. And what else do I have? We also did we got some shots, some Jello shots that we made earlier. And what else do we have? I guess y'all have to see, okay? But like I said, it's the night before, so we're setting up, and I will show y'all how it turns out tomorrow. So hopefully I'll look a lot better. I will look a lot better because I look a mess. Okay, bye. So I was so excited about this shot clock that I figured I'd just get it out of the way first. And I got all these supplies from Hobby Lobby and Michael's if you're interested. So first step is I took this cake board and I traced it out on a long foam sheet. Doesn't matter the color, get creative. But one thing is I don't want you to worry if the board isn't completely covered, because I'm going to show you how to fix that. So now I'm going to take this E6000 glue, and in the words of Miss Tabitha, I'm going to place it on there like that, like so. Woo, Lord knows I'm accident prone, so this plastic really should have been the first thing I put down. But now I'm going to go ahead and glue this styrofoam circle, and that's going to cover the exposed cardboard that I mentioned earlier. Now I'm going to place some numbers on there, and I just use the edge of the paper to line things up the way I want it. But guys, I promise it's going to come out nice. Don't be anal about it like I was, because it took me way too long on these numbers. Go ahead and throw some letters on there to customize it the way you want. I placed a few pipe cleaners just to give me the hands of the clock. And now I'm going to glue on the feather boa around the clock, just, give a little extra spice. So this part honestly was the trickiest, but I ended up just hot gluing some mini liquor bottles onto some bamboo sticks and just sticking it right in the side. You can even put them on top if you want it, but this is how it ended up turning out. I'm really happy about it. I usually hate arts and crafts, not because they don't come out nice, just because I'm a perfectionist and it takes me too long. But shoot, I'm thinking about making me one of these because this is cute. Oh, child. Okay, so it is 3 in the morning and I haven't even put the stuff up yet. And like a dummy, I blew all of this up by mouth. And then finally, I was like, you know, we have to have a air pump somewhere. So thank God my mom whipped one out and all these balloons got blown up with it. We have the happy birthday stack over here that I need to put up. Oh, I forgot there are those had holes in them, so don't worry about those. But I do need to blow air into those. And now it's time to put the streamers up. So, yeah, it's late. I'm tired, but we're going to get this done. So it's the next morning, and what screams 21st birthday more than a good beat? So Jada has no idea what we have planned for her today. Of course, she knows we want to celebrate her, but that's about as much as she knows. I have a photo shoot set up for her later, so the fact that she even requested this hot pink look, I had to contain my excitement because y'all, it fits the theme so perfectly. So I'm going to stop right here for a quick Black business shout out. I got this phone case from a company called BU Just In Case. You get it? That's so cute. Anyways, I met B the other day and she was so humble and down to earth. So I'm going to be leaving her Facebook information in the description box so you guys can swing by and get a few cases just like this one. All right, back to the video. Isn't my sister gorgeous, y'all? Make sure you guys comment and let me know if you want a tutorial of this look. So Jada's upstairs finishing her makeup, but it all turned out so nice. And I'm happy with everything, so just wanted to show y'all how it turned out. We got the bubbly, we got the candles going, little, you know, jello shot or whatever. Hors d'oeuvres. So yeah. Are you excited, Mom? Trying to keep it cute. I see you. You look good, girl. Got the balloons going. Bottles about to be flowing. Yeah. I'm excited. Look a lot better than yesterday. So yeah, like I said, Jada's gonna finish up her makeup. She'll be down in a minute, and we're about to turn up, you know, quarantine style. This is my grandma. Hey! Yo, so the margarita jello shots turned out super cute, super strong, I'm not gonna lie, but they good. So I'm gonna drop the recipe. Brie, you didn't put any liquor in here for me.
Oh my god.